Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Portrait Painting and the course code is 53124. Dear students, hope you are fine. Today our topic is about Pakistani portrait artist. Part 2. This is a practical topic. Now we are going to discuss about some Pakistani portrait artist. Ali Kazim. Ali Kazim mainly creates multi-layered constructions using oil and water-based pigments. The artist, using an unusual technique, creates a layered textured effect which is not usually seen with this media. Kazim started his career as a cinema hoarding painter in a small town in Pakistan, and he carried the technical skills he developed there to his current body of work. Ali Kazim says, each artist has his or her own magic. Each has his or her own way of approaching a subject, and that's what makes each artist unique. A lot of Kazim's own magic is obvious in his quiet determination and steady energy. His work portrait painting. Qamar Siddiqui. He had painted traditional pots in realistic style with vibrant colors including Hala blue. His current 15 large-scale exhibits speak for his skills and imaginations and sensibility for self-editing. There is nothing superfluous on his canvases. Each form serves as a symbol of some idea. The bare eye sees chessboards, red, blue, and black, yellow, and white paints, keys, feathers, and human profiles, forms suggesting cuddled up human bodies. Obviously drawn hand and feet and sandals. With all these elements, Siddiqui creates a drama of aesthetics. Black and white chessboards are symbol of life. We are living on earth. Red and black chessboards refer to a life full of lust. Delicate feathers which construct the structures of heavily formed human bodies are symbols of purity. His paintings hold a place in the international market. Ali Azmat. Ali Azmat was born in Multan in 1973. His object of paintings is usually women. At Clifton Art Gallery, you will find 100% original Ali Azmat paintings. His work. Large scale painting. Ali Azmat solo exhibition untitled Murat, which was held from 23rd January to 28th February 2009 at London. The exhibition presents a series of portrait paintings entitled Murat by Ali Azmat. In the portraits of Hijras, as they are called, the artist tries to capture both male and female characteristics in one person, as well as their feelings. Another painting of this series, Murat. Imran Ali Kazmi. Imran Ali Kazmi was born in Kasur, Pakistan in 1993. He studied at the National College of Arts in 2013. He mainly uses oil paint and his subject is usually women and flowers. You can see. Photorealistic image. The artist shows off his ability to paint with his flat paint application, essentially identically replicating photographs, as well as adding playful brushstrokes in parts to reveal a more kinetic quality the material possesses. His work based on traditional values of our region. Mariam Mughal. She do freehand pencil sketches, paintings, oil, acrylic, mixed media paintings, graphic paintings, and also graphic design. Most of her artwork explore contemporary figurative art, in particular women expressions. Her work is rarely inspired from anywhere other than her ideas at the time. Each piece is an expression of herself and her inner satisfaction. She says that I have never worked in a rule manner. As the artist, eyes, hands are much more important than measurement and dimensions. Art is really just a communication of an artist's mind and hand skills, but it should communicate. I believe that I paint nature. However, I see nature in dreams, thoughts, and desires, and I enjoy doing it. Tayyeba Aziz. Use of vibrant color in her work. The artist said that I used to like poetry, and when I paint, it automatically comes to my mind, and unconsciously and consciously I start singing while I paint. Our culture and society teach us that we must hold back emotion when in public, but I believe emotion should be expressed more regularly and freely. Colors play an extremely important role in my paintings, making it more decorative and intense. My work is expression or application of imagination. Her work. Thanks.